Welcome back, winners. On this episode of Winning at Disneyland, we have arrived at the park, I think later than we've ever been before. I had jury duty this morning, so hooray. We've only got about maybe 4.5 hours in the park. So we are going to set a goal of 6 major attractions in that period. We'll call that a win. Let's get into it, see how things are going. Checking the tip board earlier, this looks like a very winnable day at Disneyland. Really light wait times. Little vibe check on Main Street. Yeah, pretty wide open. That's pretty light. I think we're gonna be in for some big wins today. Let's get into it. Wow. It's very light. So Wednesday, what time? 2:30-ish? 2:30 or so? On a Wednesday? 2:31. Wow. We have opted to give the single rider on the Matterhorn a shot. It's posted at 20 minutes. I'm guessing we can single rider that in 10. A little heavier in single rider than I expected. But here goes a big group right through right now. We'll put some time on it. That was a literal walk on. So we got waved right on, literally. But alas, left side again.
Arms, feet, and legs inside.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Watch your kids. Thank you.
And front row. Oh, Lordy. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Oh, God. My kidneys. Oh, even. I got a little wet. Yeah, chalk that up to a big win. 4 minutes. Tamara was in the sled behind me. Teacups is a straight walk on. Alrighty, that's 2 big tickets in 30 minutes. There's some water flowing. Yeah. Nice. Alright, let's see if everything's coordinated now. They got that sucker dialed in now. Woo-hoo! Whoa! That even smells like black powder. Nice. 2 big tickets, 30 minutes flat. We'll go single rider Indy. That should take about 10 minutes. A couple of things we noticed. The cannons are coordinated again with the steam and the sound effects. There was some bursts of air when you first came into the Bat Cave that like blasted you in the face, kind of like Indy. I don't remember that ever happening. The waterfall was on and running great, along with the steam. And then they've added what seems to be lights behind the cannon. So when the steam and the cannons go off, it's all lit up behind it. And it smells like freaking gunpowder or smoke or something. Indy posted 45. We're going to try to snag a single rider. They are to the bottles using all the switchbacks. No lightning lane impact. You might get through that in 35, 40. But you know how we roll. That was a score. Tamara was on in 8 minutes flat. That might be a new record. I was in the Jeep behind her. And once again, that park science, that line shrunk down to 20, 25 minutes. That makes 3 big lightning lane, big e-ticket rides in 56 minutes. 3 in 56 minutes. And there's Mama waiting. New Orleans Square vibe check. Wow. Wowzer. Just as we were getting ready to get on Big Thunder, we saw this girl sitting on one of the benches eating a sandwich, and we asked her what it was, and she said the shrimp po' boy from Tiana's. Looks like it comes with dirty rice and a mess of pickled veg. This looks pretty freaking fantastic for park eats. Yeah, so that's red beans and rice. Little bits of pork. It's spicy. It's actually really, really, really good. And then there's a sweet and sour pickled veg. Cucumbers, onions, bell peppers. And the sandwich is fantastic. Crispy shrimp. Nice spice to them. Really good. And then they have an assortment of hot sauces. So if you want to sauce it up. And I'm telling you, that red beans and rice is spicy. That's got a kick. This is freaking fantastic eats. Hour and 15 minutes into the park. 3 big e-ticket attractions down. Lightning lane attractions. And a full sit-down meal that was fantastic. Yeah, that gives that bulgogi sandwich a run for its money. $17 with Magic Key discount. That's hard to beat. That was oh my God. It was rich, spicy. The bread was great. Everything about it was great. It was really wonderful. And that might tie for number 2. Rise is showing 35 minutes. We're gonna go put eyes on it and hope it's not a huge call to action and fills up before we get there. Switchback 4, 3, 2, and 1 are empty, walking straight on. I asked if they were running at full capacity. He wasn't sure. We're walking right through the waterfall and walking straight into the caves. 16 minutes. 16 minutes to the Ray Room. We are 2 hours and 6 minutes into the park. That's 4 major attractions down, plus a sit-down lunch. Like I said, it's about 16 minutes to the Ray Room. We got stalled in the transport for just a couple of little extra minutes. Saw some extra footage that I've not seen before. But it was right at 34 minutes to the boat, I think. Look at all those empty tables and empty seats. All this real estate. Paul couldn't post it at 10. We're gonna go through the line. We've been stuck as engineers so many times that we're gonna take a chance to the 10-minute standby and see if maybe we can be pilots. Yeah, wide open. Still haven't stopped. Yeah, that was about 4 minutes. And our gamble paid off to go through the standby line. We got to be pilots. Yeah, I think we got hosed out of a train. Our gunners harpooned the second train, but then it wouldn't let us get the coaxium. I don't know. Weird. Oh, wow. That's a 2-minute wait, maybe? All about a walk-on. I don't know if I said, did I say that's 2.5 hours, 5 attractions plus lunch? And we've got, what, another 2 hours yet? Yeah, so we're gonna, 6 was a very conservative estimate. Yeah, we're gonna probably hit closer to 8. And that would be one heck of an achievement for 4.5 hours in the park. We'll take it. Awesome. Thank you. Rise is still walking straight into the caverns. They still have it posted at 35. I mean, it's 35 darn near round trip. I mean, this is 15 minutes to the Ray Room. Anytime you see that, that's a go situation. I think Mama nailed it on the head. We're in the shoulder season. Halloween just ended. It's November 5th.
Yes, today is November 5th.
And Christmas doesn't officially break until the 14th, and we will be here. So looking forward to that one. Stay tuned for sure. That should be the next video after this one. I'll put, yeah, that should be the next video after this. But man, this is wide freaking open.
Yeah.
I've started a list of days to come to Disneyland. Father's Day is a good one. Super Bowl Sunday is a good one, although not as great as it used to be because everybody now just stands in line on their phones and watches the game. But we came on Super Bowl Sunday. It was pretty dead. The Wednesday before Halloween, completely dead.
Yeah, it was dead.
The funny thing is, today's Wednesday. It's pretty freaking wide open. We're set on to our 6th attraction in 2.5 hours. And Monday was packed.
Yes,
Monday
it
was
super busy.
an hour minimum for everything, but I found out later that the local area kids were out of school. So that makes a big difference. Anytime the kids are out of school, Disneyland is packed. Disneyland Railroad. There's your little telltale. They're still riding it, but that's basically a walk-on. But it has cooled off tremendously, and you know, it's 10 after 5 and the sun has already set. Boo, time change, boo. Pooh's posted 10. That's gonna be ride number 6 in 2 hours and 40 minutes. There's literally nobody in line at Tiana's. They're walking straight through the threshold. There's nobody upstairs. They're calling it 10. It's probably a dead walk-on. Check out the Mark Twain all lit up.
That's so pretty.
Well, Pooh was ride number 6, so we are into bonus territory. And I think we're gonna go over to DCA and finish out the night there. Mansion is always a vibe at night.
Oh, so much fun.
Although they are walking straight up.
Yeah, that looks pretty wide open.
Yeah. 15-20 minutes to the stretching room max.
It's funny.
Whoa, look at the moon over the Matterhorn. Check out this super moon. That is the full beaver moon, and that is the brightest, closest moon to Earth this year.
Wow.
Pirates has been a virtual walk-on all day long. I mean, look at that. That's 5 minutes to the door max.
Yeah.
I mean, if we really wanted to max out, we could have done the Mansion, Pirates, Indy, and Jungle Cruise in an hour. That would have been 10 rides in like 3.5 hours. Main Street at night, pre-Christmas. Next time you guys see this shot, will be different.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Chomp. Citrus churro. Something new. Disneyland Railroad. Coming into station. Time for a little early holiday themed park hopping. Oh, no more Oogie.
Nope.
Seems very dark and strange over here without Oogie. We've been celebrating Halloween for 2.5 months. So I'm glad to see the change over to Christmas. Buena Vista vibe check. Medium, I would say. It's about 5:30, but yeah, that crowd's pretty light on Buena Vista. Hollywood Boulevard, looking pretty sparse. Looks like it stopped right at the first bridge. What did that take us last time? About 30 minutes?
Yeah, that was like an hour and a half.
That was, yeah, when it was posted 90, we got on in like 25 or 30. Oh, look at the difference in the lights. Oh, look at the moon. Chalk that up to a big win. The line jumped up to 65 while we were in it. Oh man, it's so gorgeous right now. Look at that. Single rider on in 30 minutes flat. Me and Tamara rode in the same car and we won the race. Big Disney winners. Let's catch a finish line shot. Oh, that was a big win. That was like a whole car length. Some Q science for you. If you go single rider and you're right here at this first overpass, this first bridge, that's about 25 to 30 minutes max, depending on Lightning Lane. If Lightning Lane stretched all the way out to Luigi's like we have seen it before, that could impact it a bit. But generally speaking, from that first overpass, single rider is 25, 30 minutes. Gorgeous. Gonna roll the goofiest, funnest ride in DCA to probably finish out the night. They're calling it 20 minutes. It's not. There's no way. 10 minutes. 10 minutes to the paddock. We'll be on in 2. Fantastic. Big wins today. That was a lot of fun.
It was a good day.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Afternoon. Yeah, indeed. Thank you. Yeah, 8 attractions. 4.5 hours. Full sit-down lunch. Delicious lunch. That's probably going to do it for us. That'll do it for us tonight, winners. Oh, I lost her. We'll see you winners later.